Hi, this is James again, and I'm wanting to show you and talk to you about how to do keyword research. With keyword research, you're actually trying to see what people are searching for in Google. One of the things that happens is when you are doing keyword research, you can actually pull some long tail keywords and some different keywords that people are searching, but you want to find out the volume that they are searching. Volume is so important in how many keywords that, or how many searches for that particular keyword. So I'm going to go to the desktop and I'm going to show you what I do, and I do use some different software. It's a paid software, but then I also have some free extensions that I use for Chrome. And if you are not using Chrome extensions, you're losing out. So if you are a small business, a ministry, or even an affiliate marketer, these are some things that you can use to kind of find out what keywords people are searching. So let's go to the desktop and we'll show you what we do. All right. Actually, let me carry this over here. And this is actually what I do. Okay, first of all, let me minimize that. First of all, I do I use ubersuggest Chrome extension. This is put on by Neil Patel, and I use keywords ideas. These are both free Chrome extension. There's keyword surfer. It comes out, looks like, there it is, keyword surfer and ubersuggest. So I'm focusing on churches. So find a church near me, and this will just kind of show you what happens when you search. Okay, here's the keyword search is find a church near me, and of course this is specifically if you are in a ministry or a non-profit. You could find, drop in whatever. So the ubersuggest shows the volume. This is the volume per month. Okay, and with that volume per month, it also shows the cost per click. So it looks like, okay, find a church near me is of course the big volume. You can go down midway, 40 searches. Also, this also verifies that church near me, there's 45% near church to me. And it shows you that is a good keyword search, okay? So you can also, when you click here, it also is showing you how many per month. The Bible teaching churches near me, non-denominational churches near me. Of course, this would just, whatever keyword you drop in, it shows you how many a month, and then the cost per click, that's average cost per click, $2.89, 90 cents, etc. Okay, so what I'm going to do is let me drop in find a church near me. I'm going to copy, and I also use toptool.com, merging keywords together. Okay, I drop that in, and a lot of things, I'll put a how to, and then drop in the town that I'm near. So if you're in, of course I'm in Florida. Let me think here. I'm over on the East Coast, but let's see. Tampa, Florida. Okay, that is how you actually do merging, and then you click merge, and what this does, you can have the pre, and then find a church near me. You could actually drop in, okay, just to show you the example. This drops in, and then you can merge, and you have both of those different ones. But let's just go with how to find a church near me. Copy. Okay, so I'm going to go to my software that I use, pull up the keywords, and again, this is actually the paid software. If you're interested in it, I'm not trying to sell you this. What I'm trying to do is just show you what can be done, and that way you can do once you get the right software and everything, you truly can do keyword research. So, okay, let's go ahead and see what people are searching. Okay, let's see. Let me click, and after, in this software, I look for ones that actually have the town I'm going after. So how to find a church near me. Of course, it shows the rank in YouTube. So let's go ahead, and it looks like let's just go non-denominational Tampa, and I'm holding down the control key. Churches in East Tampa. Okay, it's all about churches because that's one of my keywords, and I'm focusing on Tampa. So okay, so I have all those selected. So now I'm going to right click, just due to this software, get search results. So what we're going to do is wait on that to pull up the search results. And what you're wanting to do is making sure that you go after you don't want the highest search results, but you want kind of in between, what they call low-hanging fruit. And there are some times that people try to go for the big stuff, and you don't get anywhere. If you kind of do the low-hanging fruit, and what the easier keywords, you can kind of target in. I would rather have 25 to 50 hits per month on the video than go for the big one and not hardly get any, because the competition is so hard. So let's go back. Let's see what it is. Okay. So this shows you the different ones, how many searches are being made per month for this particular keyword. So then with this software, all these that I have selected, again, this is just a paid software, but just showing you what can be done. Okay, now we have a different, this is something I stumbled on a year or two ago, and let me paste these in, and then I want to line these up. And what I'm doing is getting each line lined up, and then I make sure that there is no space and no comma. Okay, what this will do is this will, as it says, predict the magic keywords. What I'm doing is testing to see what will rank. So we'll sit there, we'll wait. So part of really honing in on the keywords is really trying to find out what people are searching for. So you can target anything, but if you are targeting a word that no one's searching for, it doesn't help you out. So all right, let's go back. Okay, that's good guaranteed rank prediction, but let me do another one. That shows me that is pretty high competition. So let's go to, okay, let's go back and let's try another near me. Okay, now we're going to go back to this and we're going to drop in let's drop in Vero Beach, Florida. Okay. Okay, the good thing about this is, and I'm just kind of doing this on the fly. I didn't pre-test anything, and I wanted to show you it takes time to do keyword research, to do it properly. So it looks like it is done. So let's go back. Okay, let's see if we can find the churches. Doesn't look like there's... Must be not too many churches in Vero. Okay. Okay. I'm glad this is happening. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. St. Petersburg, Florida. So what you're seeing here is it just is not the snap of the finger. You actually have to really dig in and really work to find the proper keyword. It's just not real easy sometimes. And sometimes you may think that, man, what's the use? Well, do the work. You put the work in, and it will get you more. Okay, let's go back to the screen here. Wow. Okay, let me find a church. Let me pull out near me. And let's just kind of stay here. Whoa, sorry, Lucy. My dog. So let's watch it. And with doing this there again, this shows you that it just doesn't happen immediately. Okay. Okay, there's one. And there's one. Make sure I got these. Okay. So let's go ahead and see what the searches are. Should be up at the top. All right, so there are two searches, and I just found out when I made my mistake. I should take off the how-to. See, I've been video marketing for a while, and I still several years. Okay, let's go ahead and drop over in Magic Ranker just to see how these will do. And clear all this out. Okay, let's see how to predict, see how it will do. Those still aren't good. So I guess I need to keep going then. Let's go and take how to find a church for St. Lucie. Florida. Now, this video is actually going longer than what I anticipated, but I wanted to do this off the fly just to show you it takes a little while to actually do the keyword. I keep repeating that, but it is not just a snap of the finger that you get it done. Okay, it's done. Let's find a church. Okay, let's see what is pulling up. All kinds of different churches. Okay, there's find a church, and you can do different keywords. Church Port St. Lucie, Church of Port St. Lucie. Okay, it's just and one of the things, these with asterisks I do not pull. Of course, there again, this is a paid software. Okay, so it looks like I try to target anything. I would like them to have at least over 1,000 searches. Sometimes it doesn't work like that. Okay, just pull these, copy. Let's go back to the merge, and and we already have the city in there, so just merge these. And, okay, and let's clear out the spaces. Okay, and what you can, another thing you can do is, you can drop your church name in there too, and that way it keys in on the title. Okay, now let's go ahead and see what happens here. Let's see if it predicts any of these for a good ranking. We'll just stay here. Hopefully one of them do, so you can see what it looks like. One of these should, I would think. Nope. Huh. Boy, these are some high ranking. Okay. Let's change a little bit. Okay. Let's just play around a little bit. And I mean, these are kind of decent. They're decent keywords, but you want to make sure that you can really rank. And I'm trying to find one that will show. There you go. Okay. If it will rank, for it to really rank, you want it to say excellent. So then you can actually take these keywords, and there again, you can do business, find whatever business. This is particularly targeted for church, but any keyword. And when it says excellent, you know it will then rank much better. And much easier. And typically when you get that, you can just upload the video to YouTube, and you may have to do some backlinks or whatever to help a little bit, put it in a playlist, whatever. But I just wanted to show you live. It took a little bit of search to do it. So hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe, please share, please like the video, and if you need any help, contact us on our connecting channels, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks, have a great day, and we look forward to bringing you our next video.